Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OneDrive sync folder settings on Windows. Detailed guide step-by-step. Click to download OneDrive sync folder settings on Windows. Start by ensuring that OneDrive is installed on your device. Click on the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. If you do not see the icon, you may need to launch OneDrive from the Start menu. Once the OneDrive interface opens, sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Click on the Help and Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. Look for the Choose Folders button and click on it. A new window will appear, showing the folders that are currently synced to your device. To download your current sync folder settings, take note of the folders you want to keep. Now, proceed to close the OneDrive settings window. Next, right-click on the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray again. This time, select Sync to ensure everything is updated. Once sync is complete, open File Explorer. Locate the OneDrive folder on the left sidebar of the File Explorer. Right-click on the OneDrive folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Location tab. Here, you can view the path where your OneDrive files are stored. Copy this path to use it later for reference. To back up your folder settings, open a text editor such as Notepad. Paste the copied path into the text editor. Next, list all the folders you noted earlier for easy reference. Save the text file with a descriptive name, such as OneDrive Sync Settings. This file will help you restore your settings if needed in the future. To finalize, close all open windows and ensure that your OneDrive is functioning correctly. Your sync folder settings are now backed up and ready for reference at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.